Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we want to talk about what happens if you're driving and the police stop you and you don't have your driver's license on you. Now, especially those persons living overseas, let us know what the procedure is in those countries, like say the US, Canada, UK, because in Jamaica, failing to produce a driver's license / permit at the request of a police constable will attract a fine of $2,000. So if you don't have your driver's license on you, you're going to be fined $2,000. Now, I think this is a bit ridiculous. So I'm curious as to how it's done in other countries. So if you guys could leave a comment in the section below and let us know how it works in other countries. Now, the reason why I think it's ridiculous to charge somebody $2,000 for not having their driver's license on them is because the police have access to everybody's driving information. So let's say the police pull me over, I don't have my driver's license, I give them my name. They then punch it into their handheld tablet and a picture of my driver's license will come up. My entire driving history, tickets, outstanding warrants, everything comes up. So there is no reason to issue a ticket or fine somebody $2,000 for not having their driver's license on them. You get the name and the picture of the driver's license comes up on the handheld device that the police use, so they can verify the identity of the person. So it really is, I think, ridiculous to be fining somebody for $2,000 to fine somebody $2,000 for not having their driver's license on them. Now, before this new law came into effect, and this new law came into effect on February 1 of this year, 2023. If you don't have your driver's license on you, you had 5 days to produce it at the police station. Now, I'm not sure if that was the official law or it was just one of those things where the police give you some leeway. In the same way, your registration, you have a 30-day grace period. This was before February 1. I don't know how it is now, but I don't think it was ever officially recorded anywhere that you have a 30-day grace period. So it was just something that they did. So I'm not 100% sure about that, but I'm not even sure what happens now if the police stop here and your registration is up by 2 days. Do they give you a ticket? Do they take your car? Or do they still give you the 30 days to the 30-day grace period? But we'll make a video about that another time. But today we're talking about failure to produce a driver's license. It's a $2,000 fine. So I am very curious to find out about how other countries do it. We had asked a similar question about what happens when you go to the toll in other countries and you don't have the cash to pay it. In Jamaica, they do not take debit cards or anything like that. And everybody responded that lived outside of Jamaica that they take a picture of your license plate and issue a ticket in the mail. Yet Jamaica doesn't do that. And these toll roads, they have the cameras, because they take a picture of your car when you enter the toll plaza to ensure that, I guess, for security reasons. So it could be done like that, and the police are actually going to be issuing tickets via cameras. So that is definitely something that the toll authority needs to look into. And I want to thank everybody for the feedback, because that's a much better system than refusing the person to leave the toll plaza and they having to call somebody to bring the cash to them. That's just not right. It's not right. Not with this day and age when technology exists. So guys, let us know how it works if the police stop you in a foreign country and you don't have your driver's license. And also, let us know what you think about this new law that you're going to be fined $2,000 if you don't have your driver's license on you, or if you fail to produce the driver's license at the request of a police officer. I really think they need to revisit that law, because if you don't have a driver's license, you are never in the system, you don't have a driver's license, you're driving a car without ever being issued a driver's license. That's one thing. But to have a driver's license and just because you forgot your wallet, they're going to issue you a ticket for $2,000, I think that's wrong. Because they are going to look you up when they punch in your name to issue that electronic ticket. All your information is going to come up so they can see that you have a driver's license. They can see that it's not expired, and they don't have to issue that ticket because they know you have a driver's license. So guys, let us know how it works in other countries, and persons that live in Jamaica, let us know what you think about this law. Alright guys, thanks for having the discussion with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.